everyone. Today we'll explore the processing line for making apple-based products. Sunrise illuminates vast orchards where advanced harvesters begin their tireless work. Advanced harvesters meticulously gather each perfect green apple from the orchard. The journey begins as vibrant green apples are collected by state-of-the-art harvesting machinery. The journey begins delivering crisp green apples to our state-of-the-art facility. Automated trucks deliver the harvest, initiating the meticulous processing journey. Colossal robotic arms begin the precise, high-volume transfer of fresh produce. A continuous stream of crisp green apples flows into the advanced facility. Precision engineering ensures a seamless and efficient flow from farm to factory.
With a smooth, waxy, vibrant lime green skin.
A colossal vortex gently guides and cleanses each apple, ensuring purity for the next stage. Advanced hydromechanics ensure every surface is meticulously scrubbed clean. Water purity is maintained through advanced filtration, ensuring a sustainable and hygienic process. The flow accelerates through specialized channels, preparing apples for the next stage of processing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Precision sorting begins, ensuring only the finest green apples proceed. High-speed lasers meticulously scan every surface of each apple. Thousands of green apples are analyzed with astonishing speed and accuracy. Imperfections are instantly detected by advanced optical recognition systems. No blemish escapes the vigilant eye of automated quality control. Precise air jets swiftly remove any apples not meeting stringent quality standards. Only flawless green apples continue to the next stage of production. The optically sorted green apples are now ready for further processing. Advanced technology guarantees a consistent supply of premium quality green apples. Witness the precision of our state-of-the-art machinery, transforming nature's bounty. Each apple is perfectly positioned, ready for its transformation. Advanced robotics core each apple with unparalleled accuracy, minimizing waste. Thousands of flawless green apple rings are now ready for the next stage. Precision engineering guides each crisp green apple ring towards its next stage. Advanced robotics ensure every ring is perfectly positioned for optimal drying. Massive perforated trays await, ready to receive their precise cargo. A ballet of automation orchestrates flawless placement across every tray. Each tray, a testament to efficiency, prepares for the journey to drying. Inside, controlled heat and airflow meticulously transform the crisp green apples. Advanced sensors monitor every variable, ensuring optimal dehydration for perfect consistency. As heat permeates, the vibrant green apples gradually transform, their moisture carefully extracted. Through this colossal tunnel, thousands of apple rings are consistently dehydrated to perfection. Automated systems prepare for the retrieval of the now perfectly dried green apple rings. The finished, perfectly dried green apple rings emerge, a testament to precision engineering. Each dried apple ring represents a commitment to quality, from orchard to finished product. Advanced robotics ensure each dried apple ring is perfectly cooled and prepared for packaging. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. A factory worker meticulously oversees the automated operations, ensuring peak efficiency and quality control. From cooling to packaging, every step is automated, ensuring unparalleled speed and consistent product quality. The future of food manufacturing is here, driven by precision, speed, and cutting-edge technology. The journey concludes with premium dried apple products, expertly prepared for discerning consumers worldwide. Sorted green apples embark on their journey, destined for transformation. The colossal grinder stands ready, a marvel of modern engineering. Powerful mechanisms transform crisp apples into a uniform, coarse mash. The freshly ground mash is now channeled towards the pumping system. Through gleaming pipes, the journey of the apple mash continues. Effortlessly, the mash is propelled to its next stage of processing. Giant steel rollers exert immense pressure, initiating the juice extraction. The continuous belt press expertly separates the tart juice from the remaining apple pomace. Precision engineering ensures maximum juice yield from every crisp, firm green apple. Automated systems ensure every drop of juice is meticulously collected. The immense scale of the machinery ensures high volume, efficient production. Every stage of production upholds the highest standards of hygiene and efficiency. Advanced filtration purifies the raw essence, transforming cloudy liquid into crystal clarity. Through complex centrifugal force, impurities are meticulously removed. Gradually, the liquid transforms, moving closer to its pure, intended form. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. From rigorous filtration, the refined juice proceeds to flash pasteurization. The final stage reveals a perfectly clear, radiant green apple juice. Automation reigns supreme, ensuring consistency and unparalleled quality. Precision machinery sterilizes thousands of bottles, preparing them for the crisp green apple juice. Automated systems swiftly seal each bottle, locking in freshness and flavor. Every bottle undergoes rigorous checks, ensuring peak quality before distribution. Finished bottles are meticulously packed, ready for their journey to consumers. From orchard to shelf, the essence of the green apple is perfectly preserved. Precision engineering ensures every apple is perfectly prepared for transformation. From whole fruit to uniform cubes, ready for delicious dessert fillings. Advanced systems monitor every step, guaranteeing consistent product excellence. Advanced machinery precisely measures and introduces the perfect blend of spices and syrup. The cooking process unfolds, slowly softening the apple cubes and infusing them with rich flavors. The apples transform into a fragrant, glistening pie filling, a perfect blend of texture and taste. The meticulously prepared green apple pie filling is now ready for its next stage. Robotic precision fills thousands of pastry bases with warm, glistening green apple delight. Each pastry base is filled with perfectly portioned, warm green apple goodness. The automated system guarantees every pastry receives a precise, delicious filling. Thousands of green apple desserts, perfectly prepared, journey toward their final transformation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos.